This is the video about how we can sync or copy S3 bucket of one region to another region. So in our example, we are syncing S3 bucket of the US East 2 region with the S3 bucket of the US West 2 region. So here two regions, one is source and the other is target. The source region in our case will be US East 2 and the target region in our case is US West 2. So comprising that, we are syncing the bucket of source US East 2 region to the region US West 2 bucket, S3 bucket. So here are a few steps. Firstly, we have to create S3 bucket in the target region. The target region is US West 2. From the Amazon Management Console, we can search for S3 and S3 buckets. Yeah, we can simply write S3, then the S3 bucket console will be opened. After that, we can create S3 bucket from there. After the creation of S3 bucket, and we have to specify the target region here. As we are in our case, there is a region of US West 2, so we have to write US West 2 in the creation of that S3 bucket. After the creation of S3 bucket in the target region, we have to create a folder if necessary. That if there is a requirement that we have to create S3 folder in the S3 bucket, then we have to create a folder in the S3 bucket. This is quite simple. We will just open that newly created S3 bucket, and we just there is an option that create folder. We will create the new folder and from any name. Now there is a requirement that we have to install, download and install Amazon command line interface. So we have to install Amazon command line interface in the system. Then we will install it. This is quite simple. We will double click just like we install any software. This is quite simple. So after the installation, we will check whether AWS is installed or not. So there is a command which is AWS version. So we will run on the command prompt. So you can see command. We will run on the command prompt AWS --version. If the version is displayed, in CLI, that it means that the AWS CLI is installed successfully. Here AWS CLI is installed successfully, and here is the version. So in our system, the AWS is installed successfully. Now secondly, we will configure Amazon with the command. Now there will be next another command which is a command of configuration. We have to configure AWS for the next commands. For the sync command, for the copy of buckets, we will need to configure AWS. The command will be AWS configure. Here CLI will ask the credentials and some information from us, which will be AWS access key ID. We will give some key here. These keys can be retrieved from the Amazon Management Console from the user panel. We will give AWS access key ID, then AWS secret access key. We will enter here. We will enter default region name. In our case, will be US West 2, and default output format. It can be JSON, it can be YAML. You can see it from the configuration Amazon documents. The output format may be JSON, YAML stream, text and table. After that, CMD will prompt. Now here we have configured our AWS CLI. We have entered all credentials, access key ID, secret key, region, format. After the successful configuration, we may copy and we may sync the bucket from one region to another. So we need a command The command will be quite simple. This will be the command that AWS successful configuration. We can sync or copy the data, bucket data from one region to another. We will need a command. The command will be this. I will just clarify this command. AWS, which is the default, S3 sync. Sync will be that we are using sync, so we have used sync. S3 bucket one folder. This specifies that there is a folder in the bucket one of S3. The second location will be described that this will the bucket folder in the bucket 2 of S3. This will be our source folder. This will be a target folder. And next we will specify the region also. S3 bucket 1 folder is corresponding to source region US East 2, and same region US West 2 is corresponding to S3 bucket 2 folder. I just explained this command that here in this command we are syncing the S3 bucket 1 folder which is present in the source region US East 2. US East 2 region have S3 bucket 1 folder, and we are syncing and we are copying the data of S3 bucket 1 folder to the bucket of S3 bucket 2 folder which is present in the region US West 2, which is our task. So all about the syncing is finished. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching for new updates. Thank you.